All right, so that's 2/6, the least squares regression line. Again, same kind of idea as the last section, except this time we're going to be calculating these regression lines, not being given them. Okay. So again, this is the least squares regression line. It is this y hat equals a plus bx as you know it. Okay. Very important formula to try to remember. All right, so example 1 says a foot taller, the following table shows the foot length in centimeters and height in centimeters for a random sample of 6 high school seniors. Calculate least squares regression line for predicting height from foot length. So I want to be very clear here, okay? So notice this says predicting height from foot length. You want to predict the height. That means height is the response. It's the y. It's the response. It's the y. And when it says from foot length, that means foot length is the explanatory from which you're getting the predicted height. So that means foot is the explanatory or the x. Foot is the explanatory or the x. So it's very important you understand or keep that straight. Okay, so we're going to use the two quantitative variables stats applet. Let me take a picture real fast of these data, and then we'll get right to it. Okay, so we're going to leave here. Stats applet. Stats applet. Two quantitative. Again, it doesn't matter to me what the variable names are because I'm not going to make you plot this, but you could do foot length if you want to. And let's go ahead and put the first column. So it's 23, 32, 22. And then the second foot length column is 28, 28, and 23. And then the next one is height. Again, doesn't matter to me if you have those in or not. For this example, because I'm not making you show me the graph, 167, 188, 150, and the next column is 163, 185, 155. Okay, so we're going to begin analysis. All right, there's your scatter plot. Good for that. And then down here, you'll see where it says calculate the least squares regression model. We want this. And there it is, right there for us all to see. And all we're going to do is we're going to take the exact equation they do and write it down on our page. Y hat equals 82 plus 3.308x. And that is our equation. Modeling foot length versus height. Y hat equals 82 plus 3.308x. That's all you got to do. Nice. Okay, so the second objective is going to talk about how to calculate this regression line a second way.